Hey, this is Chris Thompson. I'm here to give you my opinion on how to set up accounting books for a small business. First off, a little bit about myself. I'm a graduate mechanical engineer from Georgia Tech, and I never took any type of accounting classes in college. Over the past 30 years, I've owned five different businesses, ranging from a small startup manufacturer's rep organization to a manufacturing firm that had 25 employees. I would classify these all as small businesses. So I think this is kind of what you're looking for, is my perspective. I've been through three or four different, actually three canned software programs and one that was a custom made over the years. And they all had their varying, let's say, levels of success. But ultimately, I was really not satisfied with anything I handled. All I knew is that they all took a lot of my time, and as you know, as a small business owner, time is your most precious commodity. I truly was on the path of working 60 plus hours a week, and I could see myself working for 60 years. And that was not where I wanted to go with my life. So I was looking for time saving and money saving options. So a couple of years ago, I came across a company, software that really met and I'd say really exceeded my expectations. And I do want to share with you, I'm not being compensated in any way from this company. I'm not paid any type of compensation. Don't know anybody, so it truly is my let's say unbiased opinion. And this company is QuickBooks. It's their online subscription. And the reason why I like this company so much is, first off, from a small businessman's perspective, it's economical. For a single user, I think it's like $10 a month. For a multi-user, it's $20-25 a month in that range. So keep that in mind when you're checking things out. The cost is very attractive. Secondly, I feel it's very safe and secure. It has an excellent reputation for not being able to be hacked. It is cloud. It is a cloud-based system, which I feel very good about that. So I can sleep at night knowing that if my computer systems crash, it's everything's recoverable. And thirdly, I'd say the most important. I say most important, but the thing that I like about it is that it's easy to use. I don't have an accounting background. I can look over the shoulder of my accountant or bookkeeper and really understand what they're doing. So those three points I think really make it really a solid choice for you to take a look at. And as I mentioned a little earlier, I was on the path of working 60 hours a week for 60 years, and I was totally frustrated with my life, and I was complaining to one of my good buddies who always seemed to have a lot of money and time on his hands. And I said, "How do you do it? I mean, you always seem to be traveling to the Caribbean, or you're playing golf, or you're going with your wife up to Chicago for the weekend." And the guy kind of chuckled and he said, I was a businessman, and prior to that, I was in the corporate world, and I saw all aspects of life, and I decided I need to have my own time freedom, and he he turned me on to a video that I watched about year and a half ago, something like that, and it revolutionized my life. I'm now let's say I have the time freedom that I always wanted to have. I can do what I want, when I want, wherever I want. And this is all based upon this this business opportunity, which I'm now doing. And it's basically it's a training on how to market online, how to get ranked at the top of YouTube, how to get ranked at the top of Google with no cost or no expenditures to speak of. So if you're interested, check out Become Wealthy starting today, and this will start you on the path. And I know you will not be disappointed if you just watch this video. Thanks.